Good morning, dear children. In previous class, you all had learned about volume. Children, you all know that volume of an object is the space occupied by the object, and the capacity of any container is also called volume. And children, you also have learned different formulas to find out volume of a cuboid and cube, and length, breadth and height of cuboid. So using this knowledge, we will do following given sums. So let us start with fill in the blanks. Children, first fill in the blanks is the space occupied by a solid is its volume. Right? The volume of an empty and filled bottle of same Coca-Cola bottle. Children, this is empty bottle, and suppose its capacity is 550 ml. It means what? You can put 50 ml of liquid in it. The same thing we will apply here. The volume of an empty and a filled bottle of same Coca-Cola bottle is same. आप इसमें 50 ml ही लिक्विड डाल सकते हो, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि बॉटल की कैपेसिटी 50 ml है. इसका मतलब एम्प्टी बॉटल और फिल्ड बॉटल दोनों जो है, दोनों का वॉल्यूम सेम होगा. राइट. नाउ थर्ड वन इज द सरफेस ऑफ अ क्यूब इज. Children, you all know that cube has 6 faces, and all the face of a cube is square shaped. So here what answer you will write? Square shaped. Children, volume we measure in product of length, breadth and height. It means volume is 3-dimensional because it has 3 sides. So volume is 3-dimensional. Now next one is if unit of side is centimeter. Children, suppose this is a object and its side is 5 centimeter. So the unit of volume will be centimeter, 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 means cubic centimeter. Right? Next, solids with the same volume can have different shapes. Right? Next, the volume of 1 millimeter cube is 1 cubic millimeter, because 1 into 1 into 1, that will be 1, and the unit will be cubic millimeter. In 8 centimeter long, 5 centimeter wide and 2 centimeter high box, dash 1 centimeter cubes will be arranged. So first of all, what you will do, you will find out the volume of a box. Volume of a cube you know, so you will divide to find out the number of cubes. So first of all, let us find out the volume of a box. 8 multiplied by 5, 40, 40 to the 80. So 80 cubic centimeter, right? And the small cube's volume is 1 cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter cancel. 80 divided by 1, that comes 80. It means you can arrange 80 cubes of 1 centimeter. Now, volume of a cube will be dash if area of this face is, its face is 4 square centimeter. Children, here unit of a square side face is written wrong. It should be 4 centimeter square. So you make it correct. Okay. So you have to find out the volume. Children, you all know that a square shaped surface is there, and its area is 4 square centimeter, right? So how many, what is the length of each side? There will be 2 centimeter, 2 into 2, 2 centimeter. Okay, and it means height will also be of 2 centimeter because it is a cube shaped. In cube shaped, length, breadth and height will be same. So each side will be of 2 centimeter. It means the volume will be 8 centimeter cube, right? Now length of a cuboid is equal to volume divided by breadth into height, or you can write like this also, volume divided by breadth into height. Okay, now let us see second question. If a volume of a bottle is 70 ml and a teaspoonful of serum measured 5 ml, how many teaspoons will be required to fill the bottle? Here children, how many teaspoons means number of teaspoons has been asked. Okay, how many teaspoons will be required to fill the bottle? Children, you know the volume of a bottle, that is 70 ml. You know the volume of a teaspoon, that is 5 ml. So to get the number of teaspoon, you will divide volume of bottle by volume of teaspoon. So when you have divided, ml will be cancelled. 5 14s are 70. Here you can see I have done this division. So it means 14 teaspoon serum will be required to fill the bottle. Now let us see next question. Children, here you can see a carpenter makes a letter box which has a volume of 11,200 centimeter cube. The base has an area of 5 centimeter square. What is the height of the letter box? Children, height, what is the formula for height? Volume upon length into breadth. And children, this length into breadth is equal to area. You all know the formula of area. Area is equal to length into breadth. So in length into breadth, you can write area. So the formula that you have got, volume upon area. Volume of a box is 11,200. Area of a base box is 560. So when you will divide, I told you how can you divide that number, big numbers. So here 3 digits, you will take 3 digits, but you can see 3 digits are smaller than the outer 3 digits, so you will take 4 digits number. Now 5 table in 11, how many times it will go? 2 times. So 560 2s are, that comes 1120. So here you can see 560 2s are 1120, cancel, then copy down 0. Now this time you cannot read table, so here it will be 0. It means height of the letter box will be 20 centimeter. Okay. Now next question, a rectangular tank measures 113 centimeter, 25 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Find its volume. Children, this is a rectangular tank. It means the figure is cuboid shaped and the volume of a cuboid is equal to L into B into H. L stands for length, B stands for breadth and H stands for height. When you will place the values, length 113, breadth 25 and height 10. and when you will calculate this number, you will get 28,250, and the unit of volume is cubic centimeter. It means the volume of a rectangular tank will be 28,250 cubic centimeter. Children, hope you all have understood how can we solve different questions based on the volume. Do practice of these sums, learn formula, okay, and practice the sums. Okay, thank you and have a good day.